Greetings all. What you're about to see is the beginning of the biggest product update here at Salesmsg. Our designers and engineers have quietly been working on this for over a year now, and it's finally happening. Today, I am thrilled to introduce to you Salesmsg 2.0. Salesmsg 2.0 isn't just another update. It's an entirely new platform and experience, and it features beautiful new design, an intuitive user-friendly interface, and tons of new functionality and upgrades you have not seen before. We will be rolling out this new platform in stages over the next 90 days, but right now, let's take a quick tour at what's already available for you in it. To try out the new experience, simply click the switch in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once in the new interface, you will notice that you can personalize your view by expanding and collapsing sections to create more space. You can easily start a new conversation by sending a new message or making a call, or you can pick up where you left on an existing conversation. From there, you can switch between internal notes or text messages and take advantage of the host of features available for you to craft engaging messages. You can also send the messages right away or schedule them for later. Calling is only a click away, and in the new interface, you can move the calling widget anywhere you want on the screen. You also have a number of actions on the contact details section. You can reassign conversations, update the contact details, apply tags, and much more. To manage your conversations, you can take advantage of the different views that are available for you to sort conversations by either recency or importance. In addition, you can leverage bulk conversation actions to triage conversations efficiently. Lastly, to organize your inboxes, you can pin them to your favorites for quick access, create new folders for related inboxes, or move them into folders you have already created. Again, this is the beginning of the biggest product update ever here at Salesmsg, so expect a lot more features and upgrades coming over the next 90 days. In the meantime, you will still be able to switch back and forth between the old and new experiences. And please make sure to tell us what you think of this new platform. Your feedback is very important to us as we want to make Salesmsg 2.0 perfect for you. Thanks for watching.